The repair calculator on the HIT tool over on this tab is designed to give you realistic numbers while you're looking at property. It's not designed to replace your contractor nor bid the job for you. But we've done something to add to the usability by having quality scores, photos, and repairs. So let's look at quality. Not every house is created equal. I mean, this is a basic house right here. This is a production house, and this is a semi-custom or custom home. So the repair costs associated with each are very different. I mean, I use the example, if I break a window in this property, if I go to Mark Cuban's house and break a window, the one thing in common is glass. The financial experience is very different. So we describe each one to you. We give you some basic photos for it. So let's look at our subject property built in 1969. So this is, of the production class. Okay, so let's put class B there. And now we know that we're going to get numbers for class B. So going down to our repairs, let's say we've determined that it needs interior paint, exterior paint, we need to carpet it, we need hard surfaces, we need to put in all new appliances. Okay, and let's say it needs a hot water heater. And we save those and we have $22,615. Now, that's a scrub number, admittedly. But you close that up and you come back a little later and you go, you know what, this is really class C. Okay, and so you come back down here. Now your numbers have changed to 15,745. Again, you can change them globally. You can change them individually. You store them on your server, your profile for your purposes. The point is, if you use this kind of differentiation, it makes it easier when you're on the job. You don't have to run to your contractor every single time. Of course, we want you to have your contractor walk the job and price it, but this is a start point. Hitch, making your life easier every day.